Hey guys, this is reteaching of the week 4 cooldown. So for question 1, it says, what are the x-intercepts of the graph? So remember, our x-intercepts are the opposites of our factors, and that is because the x-intercepts are when y is 0. So that means we have to make these things in the parentheses equal to 0. So the opposite of -2 would be 2, and the opposite of -4 would be 4. So like if I plugged in a 2 in for x here, that would be 2 minus 2 is 0. And if I plugged in a 4 here, 4 minus 4 would be 0. So my x-intercepts would be 2 and 4. For the next question, it says, what is the vertex of the graph of x minus 2 times x minus 4? So remember, we said the x-coordinate of the vertex is just halfway in between the x-intercepts. So if my x-intercepts are 2 and 4, halfway in between there would be 3. So my x value would be 3. So if I look at my options here, there's only one that has 3 as the x value. If I had more than one option, I'd have to plug that 3 into my equation for x and then to find the y value. So if I plug in a 3 here for x, that would be 3 minus 2 times 3 minus 4. Well, 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 4 is -1. And 1 times -1 is -1. So that's how I get the y value. Okay, and then for question 3, there's 2 parts. It says, here are the graphs of the functions f and g. Each represents the height of an object being launched into the air as a function of time. Which object was launched from a higher point? So here at the beginning, we have the point at which they were launched. Notice function f is lower on the y-axis for height, but function g is higher on the y-axis for height. And so we notice g started from a higher height, or was launched from the higher point. So that would be object G. And then the second question says, which object reached a higher point? So here we're looking at the vertex, or the highest point on my graph. So it looks like G, the highest point, is about right here, and F, the highest point, is about right here. So we see F has the highest point. So that would be F. Okay, of course, you can answer your own favorite way to relax, and make sure you clicked the "Did you complete this cooldown?" so that you get those 6 points. And your access code for your redo is Vertex. VERTEX. Vertex.